Hi, Tiffany. Great job overall. Let's start with task one. You conducted a survey and included demographic data and details from your target market. Great job on that. The second bullet point in task one was format based, and it says that you're supposed to have your survey as your appendix. However, that was not done. So those 15 points are missing. So that was important for making sure that you include your survey as the appendix for your project, for your presentation. Task 2, created a 5 to 7 slide PowerPoint. That was done. You explained 5 sales promotion ideas. You were detailed on some of them, more detailed on some slides than others. For example, great job on this slide. You explained briefly what direct marketing was. You provided an image. You gave a link to an article. However, there was no citation still, but you did get the link to it, so that was good. And then you talked about your customers having a busy lifestyle and how they can, the direct marketing would be effective. The advertising slide was detailed. This slide, sales promotion, was not as detailed. It's very general. And this one was general as well. It didn't really talk about your target market or any demographic data that would support that activities are well received from your target market. And the visual merchandising didn't really discuss or make a connection from your target market either. Works cited, it's good that you have a works cited page. However, it's not an MLA format. You can't just list the web link when you're doing works cited page. You actually have to do a full citation in MLA format that starts with the author's last name. So for example, with Pinterest, if this is for your images, then you can make a note, that's for images, but you actually need to have citation from the article link that you listed and any other citation that you would have for research, which means that you actually need to do some research from credible sources that have an author so that you can share those things in your projects, in your assignments, and have a strong reference list. So your reference list and your formatting were the main things. A few points maybe for not being as detailed on some slides, but for the most part, you did meet all the general requirements for that. So Tiffany, overall, you've done great. It's very strong visually. Just make sure you start sharing more detail and doing a little bit more research moving forward. All right, thanks.